Good morning. Welcome to TMMS Productions. This is the first video of the series in which we will be solving problems based on arithmetic progression. So let us look at our first question. Find the 10th term of an AP. Now we remember our formula for AN, the nth term. It is A plus n minus 1 into D. What does A mean? The first term. So A1 is equal to A, which is equal to 5. What is D? It is the common difference. How do you get the common difference? We get the common difference when we subtract the second term from the first term, which will be the same as third term minus the second term. So we will write common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1, which is 12 minus 5, which is equal to 7. So now we have the value of A and we have the value of D, and we know that we have to find the 10th term. So it becomes A10. Our formula is AN equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So AN becomes A10 because we want the 10th term. What is the value of A? It is 5 plus n minus 1 becomes 10 minus 1 into D becomes 7. So we get it as 5 plus 10 minus 1 is 9 into 7. That gives us 5 plus 9 sevens, 63, and we get our answer as 68, and this is our 10th term. So we write over here, this is our 10th term. Let us take another question. Find the nth term of AP 2, 12, 22, 32, ... Now here we have to find nth term. We have nth term, the formula as we saw earlier, AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. And so we have to look for A, which is our first term. So we will write A equal to A1, which is equal to 2. And the common difference is A2 minus A1. Which means 12 minus 2, which is equal to 10. Now, the nth term will be AN equal to, we will write the formula once again, and A will be 2 plus n minus 1 into D, which means 10. So we will have 2 plus 10n minus 10. And so that gives us 10n minus 8, and so our nth term is going to be given with the formula 10n minus 8, which we have simplified from this general formula, and that is our answer. Let us come to the third question. How many terms are there in the series half, 3/4, 1, ... up to 4? Now here they have told that it is a series. We haven't been told that it's an AP. Now if it's an arithmetic progression, the common difference will be the same, which means difference between the two consecutive terms throughout is going to be the same. So what we are going to do is, we are going to find first the difference D1. D1 is going to be equal to A2 minus A1. This is our A2, this is our A1. So we will write 3 upon 4 minus half. So 3/4 minus half is 1 upon 4. Let us find D2, which will be now A3 minus A2, which is equal to 1 minus 3/4 equal to 1/4. Can we see that D1 is equal to D2, which is the same 1/4? And so we will say it is equal to the common difference. And therefore it is an AP. Once we say this is an AP, our general term is going to be AN. Let us just write it over here. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Do we know the value of A? Yes. Do we know the value of D? Yes. Now, AN, we will look at the last term. AN, this will be our nth term. And so, if we find which number term this is, we will know how many terms are there in the AP. So, we are going to say AN, which is equal to 4. We will write A equal to the first term, which is half. What is a common difference? Equal to 1 upon 4. And now, let us substitute in our formula. Let us write the formula once again. And then we will substitute. AN is 4, A is half, plus N minus 1 into D is 1 upon 4. So now as we solve this, we will take this half this side. So 4 minus half is equal to N minus 1 into 1 upon 4. Now 4 minus half is 3.5. 3.5 means it is 7 upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 4 into bracket N minus 1. And so we will have N minus 1 will be equal to this 1 upon 4 comes the other side. So it becomes 7 upon 2 multiplied by 4 upon 1. 2 ones and 2 twos. So that gives us 14. And therefore we will have N equal to 14 plus 1. This minus 1 comes the other side. And so we will say it is 15. Therefore, we will say there are 15 terms. And that is our answer. Hope you have understood how to solve the simple problems on arithmetic progression. Thank you for watching.